Namaste. In today's video, we will demonstrate the posture Virasana. To begin, sit in Dandasana and bend the right leg, placing the heel outside the right buttock. Bend the left leg and place the left heel outside the left buttock. The toes are pointing to the back and the hips are resting on the floor. Place the palms in Chin Mudra on the thighs. The elbows are softly bent and the spine is tall. To release Virasana, place both palms on the left side and straighten the right leg out. Move the palms to the right and extend the left leg out. A variation of the posture that you can practice is Supta Virasana or reclined hero pose. To begin the practice, place your palms behind the hips. Drop the elbows down to the mat and stay here for a few breaths. If you are comfortable, allow the entire spine to rest on the floor. You can deepen the posture by placing your hands overhead. Stay in this posture for a few breaths. To release, place your palms on the heels, tuck the chin into the chest and sit up. As a counter, you can fold forward with your palms on the feet. If your hips do not rest on the floor during the practice of Virasana, you will require a bolster and a block. If you use the bolster, place the bolster behind you and sit on the bolster with your legs extended forward. Bend the right leg, placing the right foot outside the bolster. Bend the left leg and allow the knees to rest on the floor. Keep the knees together, place the palms on the knees and sit for a few moments. To practice Supta Virasana, use a bolster and a block. Place the bolster behind you and place the block a few inches away from the bolster. Sit on the block and extend the legs forward. Bend the right leg and bend the left leg, placing the foot outside the block. Palms on the knees, eyes closed. For Supta Virasana, place the palms behind the buttocks in line with the bolster. Allow the elbows to drop to the floor and the spine to rest on the bolster. Stay here for a few breaths, and to release, hold on to the feet, tuck the chin into the chest and sit up.